Hi guys! Kumusta kayo? Get ready with me. I'm attending Ben's fashion show today. This will be quick since nagmamadali tayo. This is my second or maybe third live here in Instagram. So I wanna show you my look for today. Ayan. Parang nakalimutan ko na mag-makeup. I have to practice again. Before I'm doing this every single day. But now, hindi na masyado. Ang ingay ng music, pakihinaan. Ay, sorry naman po, guys. Pasensya na po. Opo. Ayan. Okay na po ba ang music? Hindi na po ba nakakagambala? Blended, not blended. Okay na daw ang music. Ay, hindi kita marinig, sis. There we go. Ayan, naririnig nyo na ba ako, guys? Who's your favorite housemate of Kuya now? Oh, I haven't watched anything. Wala. Ako ay nawala because our internet maybe is so slow. I'm not sure what happened. Hi, live ulit. You know, this is Miniso, guys. So, sobrang ganda niya. Look at that. Sobrang nipis. I think this is less than 100 pesos. I've tried it. It's good. BBE signal. I don't know if my eyeshadow is good. So, I usually put eyeliner kasi nangangati ako sa eyelashes. There's a lot of beauty influencers right now. I follow some. But you know what I realize? Not all content creators right now. No, hindi na ako nagugulo ng tenga. I'm very much confident. Before kasi may mga look kami na gusto namin. Talagang hindi ma-emphasize sa tenga. But you know guys, may auto stick na. You don't need to glue your ears. And then I realized that's what makes me beautiful. So, I think as you age, you embrace more of yourself. Being in the pageant scene, sometimes you have to be always on your best look. And then sometimes gusto mo mas mapansin yung ibang features ng face mo and not just your ears. But this one, it's fine. Okay. Kailangan done na tayo in 4 p.m. This is the challenge. Dapat may hair and makeup na tayo by 4 p.m. Got this. Good afternoon. Get ready with me to watch Men's Fashion Week. Kamusta kayo? Doing live here. Yes, I still exist here in Instagram. Wala akong time manood ng CCS game these days because mag-travel kami with my family next week also. And this week, super puno. Like kaninang 5 a.m. umuwi ako. 6 a.m. na or 5 a.m. And then halos kagigising ko lang, nag-lunch, and then prepare na naman. So, di talaga kaya. Yan. And then lashes. I don't know what I'm gonna use for lashes. This one or this one. One or two. Maybe this one. This one. Light lang. Okay. I'm not gonna do oh my god, wait. Okay, glue. I'm not gonna walk for today's fashion show. I'm not gonna model. I'm just gonna watch. So I'll support, and I'm sure I'll see some of my friends there. Gusto ko sana mapanood kahapon yung collection ni Arboni, but I have a prior commitment. So, here it is. I think naka-live na yung Bench Fashion Week. The Instagram. So, check them out. Ang ganda ng mga collection, and then lahat halos may advocacy. Like for her, she's doing a repurpose design, so it's good. Lately, I kind of feel guilty buying some online shops, fast fashion na mga clothes. So as much as possible, I'm trying to support local. And then also, I'm trying to like really eliminate, ano to, PBB? Parang waste. And then, yeah, parang if possible, may option na ganun, why not do it? Guilty din ako before. I always like buy in Shein, but I stopped buying in Shein because I found out how they reproduce and how they kind of manufacture everything. So as much as possible, ayoko talagang bumili. But then if you really need it and you know that you can use it, why not? So that's it. Okay. This is really right. So, ganito ako magkabit ng lashes. This is my lashes. Gitna muna. And then gilid. Tapos dulo. That's it. Diba? Madali lang. Okay, hair. Hair muna. We'll just use a lip gloss first. Para hindi dry ang lips natin. And then when still thinking about the lip color. I really love this from Ever with Lena. Curious lang po, maasim po ba ang kilikili? Wow! Maasim? Paano ba yung maasim? Pag nag-workout ganyan. I think normal lang naman na maging umaasim yung kilikili. But I don't think na super asim po. Hindi ako pawisin. Pag pinanood yung mga challenge namin before sa PBB, parang hindi ako nakukulas. Ganun talaga yung peg. Hindi ako madaling kulas. Wow. Parang may kulang sa mata. Okay. And then, blush on. Pinaka-memorable ko sa PBB, siguro, nung nag-celebrate ako ng Christmas, New Year, and birthday there. Who would have thought that in my life, I'll celebrate Christmas, New Year, and then also, oh my God, birthday there. Highlighter kulang daw. Okay. I think I forgot my highlighter. Here it is. Where is my highlighter? I usually don't like to put highlighter na super may glitter kasi malapit yung audience, and pag may mga nagpa-picture, boosh, na parang ganun yung highlighter. Ayoko nang ganun. Here. Bronzer daw konti. Talaga naman. Galing mag-makeup. Bronzer. Okay. 10 minutes for hair. Oo. Saan yung pantali ko? Kaya nga, ano ba nangyari sa Miss Grand? Nakakaloka daw ang Miss Grand, ang sabi ng source ko, kadang screening, pero hindi natuloy. Ooh. Wow, I didn't know that. But I heard na nag-release sila ng audition. Tapos parang di natuloy. I'm not sure if that's what you're trying also to say. I'm not sure. natin. Hanggang panggabi na. So, nasanay talaga ako pag dito ako sa Pilis nagpapa-hair and makeup ako. But, sometimes, feel ko mas mabilis pag ako na nag-hair and makeup. And then, gusto ko ulit mag-practice mag-hair and makeup. That's why I wanna like do it by myself. Wait a minute. Nudish pa talaga na orange yung lips. Mabilis ang hair and makeup. You know, recently, I decided to rest my hair, my nails. Oh my God. Speed run. Yes, parang pie lang to before. Sprayhan na lang natin. Last 6 minutes. Spray it. Iba talaga pag may hairstylist. I hope this is enough, look, for me to survive today. This is the look, guys. What do you think? May kulang pa ba? Comment down below. Abangan nyo din pala ko mamaya sa Rainbow Rumble. Tama ka. Manood ko kayo ng Rainbow Rumble. 7:15 You can watch it in any platforms of Rainbow Rumble. Okay, feeling ko may kulang. I don't know what, but may kulang ng konti. Abangan ang aking outfit mamaya. See you all later. Oh my God, paano i-end?